All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice with the AJ Dillon helmet. Let's see what else we had in there. The Cephas helmet, the Bucky W, and the Standing Bernie. Let me get back down to the bottom here. All right, so there is our list of 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we're going to check the time, July 4th at 10:56 a.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 4th at 10:56 a.m. There again is our list of 20 entries. We just need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 10 is your winner. So, Jason, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 4th, 10:57 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.